Thank you very much. Andariki Shubhakankshulo. At last we will meet. We will stay connected. That's our karma. We always get back. So, at the very outset, thank you very much for bringing me up in this platform. Thank you, GK Vigaru, Padma Garu, and the name itself is very happiest name in the world. Anando Brahma. The name itself is very Anandam. It creates a very enlightenment to people who just even listen to this name. So at the very outside, again, there are so many Pyramid Masters in the world. There are so many meditation masters. And for all my gurus in this world, let me start with a small stotra and mantra. I hope you are able to hear me. I'm not able to hear you very clearly. I'm still going on. Assuming that I'm being heard, I'm talking onto wave in length with air. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Badram Karne Vishnuyama Devaha, Badram Karne Vishnuyama Devaha, Badram Pakshe Makshavar Ajatraha, Stirai Rangai Sastivagam Sastenuvihi, Vishema Devaitam Yadayuhu, Sastina Indro Vruddhashavaha, Sastina Bhusha Vishvavedaha, Swastinastaksho Alstremi, Swastino Brahspatir Dadhatu, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti, Dhyau Shanti Antariksham Shanti, Prithvi Shanti Apashanti, Oshadaya Shanti, Vanaspataya Shanti, Vishve Deva Shanti, Brahma Shanti, Sarvam Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti Shanti Shanti. So, it's very hard to communicate to someone without being able to hear the other person what he is talking. So, this is also a very big challenging. Anando Brahma, thank you very much. We always learn so many things from so many activities. In spite of every brand good equipment in my studio, still I'm not able to connect you two-way around, but still every meeting has a purpose.
Sir, you're perfect. You're perfect, sir. You're perfect.
Thank you. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Dr. G. The minute you show your hands, it fills me with enthusiasm. It fills me with great pleasure. It fills me with a very strong power saying that, yes, don't worry, who is hearing you, but still you can speak. That is a great message. Now, today in this term, we always know that I just want to talk a few things about spirituality and meaning. A spiritual person has a purpose. We have a meaning in life. So, as we are just experiencing now, we cannot have any proper borders, but still there is one eternal border which is always connecting us with the equality, and this equality, this frequency, where even though as a human I can't hear, but still the rest of the human can hear me. This is what exactly happens in our heart. When we say prayers, when we talk to God, we always feel that, is God listening to me or not? In this case, my God is GKV sir. He's saying, sir, I can listen to you. But there, always in our life, there's a God who always say, Tatastu, I can listen to you. Don't worry. But we, as humans, always think that, has my prayers heard? Have been heard or not? Am I right or wrong? So this spirituality is very highly challenging. It does not happen to everybody, but it happens. Now, if you talk asking what is spirituality means, spirituality means recognizing a self of onenessness, a self of something, a sense of belief, saying that there's something greater than myself, something more to being human. So now, in this energy today, what I got from Ananda Brahma, I can call this as a cosmic energy. It's very divine in nature. There are so many great meditation masters around me. Those masters, those powers are coming to me, and this powers is heard to everybody. So it's just like I'm throwing a stone on a river that starts a ripple, and this ripples is spreading around. This is what exactly spiritual tablet Ananda Brahma is doing. Ananda Brahma is spreading the spiritual message. So this spirituality means happiness. Happiness in spirituality. So how do we get happiness? It's a state of well-being. If I ask to show happiness, it's very hard. I can show my sad face very easily. But some people, they are very hard to make them happy with anything. It's an emotion. It's an intense joy. So now, according to Buddha, just as a candle cannot burn without fire, man cannot live without a spiritual life. Now, what are the benefits of spirituality? What are the benefits of well-being? It's a very good emotional state. Now, with this Ananda Brahma program, what are we getting? I still remember this we did yesterday, 3 days back or 4 days back. It's already 1 year back. I still have that banner behind me. It shows that Ananda Brahma, August 16th. It was on 14, 15 and 16 last year. Yeah, GKV sir. So fast we have crossed 1 year. It's just like 1 day. Now, this benefit is, it is improving our emotional state. It is bringing us close. It is crossing the borders. It is helping with so many type of people to cope up with physical, emotional, and many sort of life stresses. It is also giving a strong sense to the community. It's saying that don't worry, you are not alone. We are all with you. You are giving this strong message to the whole world. Ananda Brahma is Ananda Brahmandam. It is giving to the whole world. So this shows that it is always reminding, saying that you are not alone. We are with you. Now, this what I realized in this benevolent program is, this is a sort of charity. Telling somebody what you should be, how you have to be happy. Every word in the end of the life strives for happiness. A child is happy with a chocolate. A teenager is happy with a beautiful girlfriend. A middle-aged man is happy with a beautiful house, a good car. And when you go beyond, you're happy with your bank balances. When your baby starts toddling and starts few words, you are very happy. Wow, my son can speak, my daughter can speak. Wow, we are so happy. We clap our hands, we cherish that moment, we record it. Every stage of that moment is recorded. The same son goes to kindergarten. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Wow, a mother's love. That word from that small baby. You have heard Baba Black Sheep 1 million times, but what coming from your product, what is coming out of your family, what is coming from your baby, that makes the difference. So this is happiness. This baby gives the mother complete happiness when it studies something. When the same baby grow up, it's so unfortunate. When it comes to grade 5, we are good, 10, we are good. Then it comes to grade 10 and 12, Kanda, konchu manchi 98% tiskonra, 97. We start putting stress into them. Now the baby starts thinking. Rather than the child is happy, it starts, how can I make my parents happy? My father or mother will not be happy unless until I get 98% or 97%. Finally, the father tells, hey, I know you. Always babies, children are very close to mother than fathers. Fathers, we have no much time. We are busy. Tell your son at least to get 95%. My friend's son got 96. At least your son must get 95. So the husband tells the wife, tell your son to get this. This is not a marks where you can buy. He has to work. So this son starts working for this marks. Then he goes to second PUC, what you call intermediate level. Then you must get an engineering seat, a medical seat, or nothing less than a software engineer. So you set targets at every stage for the life of a child. So this becomes too much of load to everybody. Not only to a person, to a parent, to a family, to a child, to the whole world, it's a big load. We are not born only to go to school to become doctors, to engineers. But yeah, GKV sir knows about it. What you mean to be a doctor? I know how to be an educationist. So everybody has got their own goals. You ask the best doctor in the world. So I happened to see Dr. Yesudas ji when he was singing in a concert in a green room. We were serving coffee or tea. That time he was practicing. He said, no, this is 5 minutes. Then what happened? He's practicing. Sir, Miro practice. Yeah, I would have sang 1,000 times. But this time I may not sing well. I still believe in my performance only when I practice. Even those people will also practice. Even a doctor who has made 100 open heart surgeries, but one surgery, if he fails, is very hard for him. He will not want to lose even one patient in his life. That will create a big ripple in his life. Even though we get signature from patients' family saying that if anything has happened, we are not responsible. But doctor will not leave. Doctor says, Vadu, he's there, but still doctor will not leave that. He will put his full efforts, 100%, completely into it. This is what this Anando Brahma is doing. Anando Brahma is putting everything it can do to it. Make people happy. So I was telling, after the son gets results, he gets good job, then he gets a car, then he gets a pile of luxurious vehicles in his house. Still he wants one particular special vehicle what the Queen of England has got. And after that also still he is not happy. He is still seeking something else. Especially now with this current pandemic stage, nothing could help us. Nothing could save us. Any of our riches, any of our money. I have personally experienced my own experience 1 week back. A multi-billionaire who just passed away recently in Bali was all alone except me and my wife when people refused to take him for cremation just because he had a pandemic contagious problems. So things happen like this. So what you give to others is always important. Ananda Brahma is giving paropakara tam idam shariram. It says that we are living for you. It says, don't mix up your routine. Be happy. Don't make your mistakes again and again. Celebrate your success. No matter how small you are, how big you are, celebrate with whatever you have. Connect with nature. Patrisa always keeps telling, connect with the music. Connect with the nature. Connect with the meditation. Now, when Padmaji and GKV are saying, don't worry, Ramesh Shastri Garu, our thumbs up means we can hear you talk. Our thumbs up, confidence. That baby is very confident that the father will catch back. The baby is not crying, the baby is laughing. Santosham, Brahmandanga Santosham Parthun baby. A papan pain vesin tashtu. Enduko? Because the baby knows I am in a safe hand. My papa will catch me back. That is what exactly our Pyramid Yoga International Academy is doing. He is trying to strive you all up and down, telling, please come out, connect with the nature, be with the mindfulness, have a gratitude journal, help others, develop real connections. So, Paida is giving us a very important aspirative why spirituality is important in life. So, a spiritually healthy person has a clear purpose in life. When I go to Padma's dance, I'm happy. Wow! She mesmerizes people. Everybody is involved in the dance. Everyone is taken aback. So they don't forget Padma as a person, but they see the dancer there, they see her skills. When she is doing Lakshmi dance, when she's doing Avtara of Lakshmis, when she's doing Navadurga, she can show emotions of each and every stage in the facial reaction. Our facial reaction nunchi back santosham. Why we pay a lot of money to these movie stars and we go and stand when our friend and our heroes come and dance something? A Mutta Mestri, a Chiranjeevi, if we tell something like that, we are all very happy because he forgets all his pain and he does what he is asked to do. So for us, the direction is divine. For me, for this present talk show, my director is Padma and GKV Sarjay. Hands thumbs up. Our thumbs up hand is making me move around, saying that yes, everything is fine, nothing is wrong on it. So it has a clear, defined purpose and a clear idea. Means they're showing what is right and wrong, and it's saying act according to my hands. Means just follow my hands. I'm your captain. I'm the last to sing down. You are in safe hands. This is what PIDA is giving to the whole globe, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, sex, nations. It is crossing all international borders. That is what an organization is supposed to do today. There is no one single organization which does not say, you do this, you get this. To join this program, you have to spend so much money. Hare, can you buy happiness with money? Buy a $100 ticket, I will show you how to be happy. No. Today, Padma sent me a text saying that please spread this message to your family and friends. Not that you want to be popular about this. At least the Padmani vini, Wogado Sudaste Chal Dantla. Out of 10, if one improves, that one will make 100 and 100 will become 1,000 and 1,000 will become million tomorrow. That is the exact vision of this whole program. So now, as Patriji always says, I listen to Patriji, he always keeps saying, his philosophy is a bit different. We won't get what we desire. We will get what we deserve. See, I read in one of his books, he writes that. It's a book called Dhyana Kasturi. It is in Kannada. In that book, I was writing something that caught my hand. He very clearly says, we won't get what we desire, we only get what we deserve. Chundi enta manchi maata adu. We want everything, but what we deserve. Who is the person who identifies what this man deserves? Yeah, somebody told me your name is now nominated for Padma Bhushan Award. But something happened in between, nothing came. It's okay. At least the person thought that this person is a nomination. Adi important. What you get is not important. What you do is important. Now, he also says, we won't get what we deserve. We will get only what we need. He says very clearly, we won't get what we desire. We only get what we deserve. We won't get what we desire. We will get only what we need. We won't get what we need. We only get those that are needed for society through us. So he is very clearly giving that this dharma is common to all. This is not a property of any individual intellectual people. There are many intellectual people in the world. There are so many books. But how? People are not reading those books. They have no time. Now, how to do these things? It's very simple.
Sir, can you please speak in Telugu?
Few words in Telugu.
Few words in Telugu.
So Telugu మాట్లాడితే better sir. Audience చాలా వరకు తెలుగు people.
తెలుగు పీపుల్ కి నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే ఏమైనా తప్పు అయితే దయచేసి క్షమించండి.
Brief points.
Brief points, sir.
Brief points. Elante, my Telugu will be very foreign Telugu.
No worries.
Please excuse me for that. I am not from Vizag, so I don't know any point of Telugu. I'm a Bangalorean, so I have mixed Telugu nadi.
ఏంటంటే బేసిక్ గా మనకి ఏది కావాలో అది రాదు, మనకి ఏది అవసరమైతే అది వస్తుంది. సో ధ్యాన కస్తూరి బుక్ లో మన పత్రి గారు చెప్పిన పాయింట్ ని బేసిక్ గా సార్ చాలా, సో మనం ఎన్ని కావాలనుకున్నా అవన్నీ రావు, మనకి ఏది అవసరమో మాత్రమే అది మాత్రమే వస్తుంది.
You are a beautiful interpreter, Padma. Go ahead, I'll tell you again. We won't get what we desire. we only get what we deserve. చెప్పండి, ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేయండి. Go ahead.
సో మనకి దేనికైతే అర్హత ఉందో ఆ అర్హత ఉన్నదాన్ని మనం పొందుతాం తప్ప మనం అనుకుని అని మనకి ఎప్పుడు రావు అని చెప్తున్నారు.
We won't get what we desire. We will get what we need.
మనం కోరుకున్నవన్నీ కూడా రావు, కానీ ఏది మనకు అవసరమో ఆ అవసరమైనది మాత్రమే వస్తుంది.
We won't get what we need. We will get only those that are needed for the society through divine agencies, to divine people like this Paida and Anando Brahma.
ఇంకొక స్థాయి దాటిన తర్వాత మనం ఏవి కోరుకున్నామో లేకపోతే ఏవి రావాలో అవి కూడా రావు. సమాజానికి ఏది అవసరమో మన ద్వారా ఏదైతే సమాజానికి అందివ్వబడాల్సింది ఉందో అది మాత్రమే మనం పొందుతాం.
చూడండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ జీకేవి సార్. ఇది చాలా వెరీ ముఖ్యమైన సమాచారం. ఎలా అంటే ఈ భాష తెలుగులో కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో కానీ, తెలుగునే కానీ ఇంగ్లీషే కానీ మళ్ళీ మేము యోచన చేసి వినాలి, మళ్ళీ వినాలి. ఎలా అంటే మేము చెప్తాం, మనకి ఏమి కావాలో అది దొరకదు, మనకి ఏమి దొరుకుతుందో దాంట్లో మేము సంతోషంగా లేదు, మేము సంతోషంగా ఉన్నామా లేదో అని ఎవరు తెలుసుకుంటారని. నోబడీ నోస్. హూ ఇస్ ద పర్సన్ హూ విల్ డిసైడ్ ఏమిటిరా మాకు సంతోషం వస్తుంది, ఏమి నుంచి మాకు సంతోషం వస్తుంది? ఇది వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ కదా. దాని నుంచి పైడాలా ఇక్కడ మేము చెప్తున్నాము, పరోపకారాయ ఫలంతి వృక్ష. చెట్టులు మానులు అన్ని పరోపకారం కాకి ఎప్పుడు ఒక మామిడికాయ వృక్షంలో బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా మామిడికాయ సీజన్ అవుతుంది, చట్నీ నుంచి పుల్లగూర నుంచి. ఉగాది వచ్చింది, we made a beautiful program for ఉగాది ఆల్సో. మామిడి పండు కావాలా, మామిడి తోరణం కావాలా, మామిడి చెట్టు రూట్స్ కావాలా, అగ్ని కార్యానికి హోమానికి అవనానికి మామిడి మాను కావాలి. సో మామిడి మానులో ఎంతో పక్షులు ఉంటుంది, ఎంత వాసిస్తానో అది మామిడాకు తోరణం కట్టిన ఒక సంతోషం మనకి. పరోపకారాయ ఫలంతి వృక్ష పరోపకారాయ వహంతి నద్య. నీళ్లు చూడండి, నీళ్లు లేకుండా మేము కెనాట్ ఇమాజిన్ అవర్ లైఫ్. నీళ్లు లేక మేము జీవించలేవు. వితౌట్ వాటర్, నీళ్ళు కదా సార్, కరెక్ట్ వర్డ్ కదా తెలుగులో నీళ్లు? నీళ్ళు లేకుండా ఉండలేము. నీళ్ళ నుంచి ఫిష్ చిక్కింది, అదే నీళ్ళ నుంచి ఫ్లడ్స్ వచ్చి సర్వనాశనం అయిపోతుంది. అదే ఒక డ్రాప్ నీళ్ళు లేదు అంతేనో వేయలేదు, అంత ఫ్లడ్స్ వస్తేనో తర్వాత కూడా తాగడానికి నీళ్లు కావాలి, వండడానికి నీళ్లు కావాలి, స్నానానికి నీళ్లు కావాలి. డాక్టర్ దగ్గర పోతే నీళ్లు తాగు అంటాడు, నీళ్లు కావాలి. సో నీళ్లు లేకుండా ఉండలేము. పరోపకారాయ వహంతి నద్య. అదే గోదావరి కృష్ణ, ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ అదర్స్. దానికోసం కాదు పోతుండేది, ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్. ఆ గోదావరిలో ఆ కృష్ణలో వి గెట్ మీనులు చేపలు తీసుకుంటాం, తింటాము. పరోపకారాయ ఫలంతి నద్య పరోపకారాయ దుహంతి గావ. ఆ ఆవులు పాలిస్తుంది. పరోపకారాయ దుహంతి గావ. పరోపకారార్థం ఇదం శరీరం. ఎందుకు మా శరీరం పరోపకాశం కాదు లేదు. సో వి మస్ట్ సాక్రిఫైస్ అవర్ లైఫ్ ఫర్ అదర్స్. సో నేను ఒకే ఒక స్మాల్ స్టోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్తాను, ఒక్క నిమిషం అంతే. ఒకే ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్, నేను చెప్తాను నీకు. There was a Zen master who advised people not to smoke, but he himself would smoke every day. So, మీరు translate change ఇది. One day, discipline asked the student asked him, "Master, how can you tell people that you should not smoke when you yourself are smoking?"
ఒక జన్ మాస్టర్ చెప్పినప్పుడు శిష్యులకి మీరు స్మోక్ చేయొద్దని. ఆ శిష్యులు తిరిగి అడిగారు, మీరు ఎందుకు స్మోక్ చేయొద్దని చెప్తున్నారు అని. ఎస్ సార్.
మీరు ఎందుకు పగ తాగరాదు? అని కదా.
ఎందుకు మీరు చెప్తున్నారు?
The master beautifully replied, "Understand, I am not the same state, the same plane as the person whom I am teaching. Understand, I am not the same state and the same plane as the person whom I am teaching. Masters need not follow what they tell to you to do to reach their state, because they are in completely different state altogether. Whatever they may do physically is done in a state of complete awareness." చెప్పండి సార్.
సో నేను ఏదైతే చెప్తున్నానో ఆ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఉన్నది ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నది ఒకటి కాదు. మాస్టర్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా పూర్తిగా నిత్య జాగరూకతలో ఉంటూ ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మారుతున్న ప్రపంచంతో మారుతూ ఉంటారు. కాబట్టి ఆ అవేర్నెస్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఆ మాస్టర్స్ చెప్పిందే సరి అయినదిగా తీసుకోవాలి అని.
Even though I always tell people that they need to be aware, completely present about, they must think about what they eat, what they see, and they must concentrate on food, what they eat, and what they talk, and what they are doing. For you, you have to meditate to be aware of the food that you take.
ప్రతి ఒక్కరు
That you eat as much as needed.
వాళ్ళు తింటున్నప్పుడు, నడుస్తున్నప్పుడు, పనులు చేస్తున్నప్పుడు పూర్తిగా దాని మీద ధ్యాస కలిగి ఉండాలి. మాస్టర్స్ ఎలా అయితే ప్రతి ఒక్క క్షణం మీద ఎరుక కలిగి ఉంటారో అలా కలిగి ఉండాలి. సో మీరు ధ్యానం చేయడం ద్వారా ఎరుకను సంపాదించుకోగలుగుతారు.
I am not aware, I will not be aware of what food I may need and how much I need, but I know how much I should give you.
సో నాకు మీకు ఎంత ఇవ్వాలి అనేది నాకు ఖచ్చితంగా ఎప్పటికప్పుడు తెలుస్తూ ఉంటుంది.
That is why what applies to enlightened people, what applies to masters will not apply to common practitioners who start in the beginning. Don't tell, vaadu guru idu chestadu, vaadu pankam nidripotunnaru. Don't compare yourself with your guru. His lifestyle and state is different. He has undergone, crossed all these things. Don't think about Shankaracharya. They're all great people.
మాస్టర్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా అవేర్నెస్ లో ఉండడం వల్ల వాళ్ళు ఏదైతే చేస్తారో వాళ్ళకి ఏదైతే అనుకరింపబడుతుందో అది శిష్యులు కాదు. ప్రారంభ స్థితిలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఆ మాస్టర్లతో సరిపోల్చుకోకూడదు. వారికి కావాల్సింది వేరు, మాస్టర్ చేయగలిగింది వేరు.
Master is a bridge to connect the people to cross the river. So do not think about the master. You think that master is giving everything. So practice and practice what master tells you. Only that will give you a proper understanding.
సో మాస్టర్ అనే వాళ్ళు ఒక బ్రిడ్జి లాగా మనల్ని ఉన్నత స్థితికి కనెక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. కాబట్టి మాస్టర్ గురించి ఆలోచించకుండా మీకు ఏది ఇవ్వబడిందో దాన్ని పూర్తిగా ఆచరణలో పెడుతూ ఆనందంగా అద్భుతంగా జీవించండి.
ఆనందంగా అందరూ ఆనందో బ్రహ్మ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూడండి, వినండి, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, ఫాలో చేయండి. స్ప్రెడ్ ఏ వర్డ్ టు ఎవ్రీబడి అండ్ లెట్ ద హోల్ వరల్డ్ బి హ్యాపీ. స్వస్తిక్ ప్రజాభ్యం పరిపాలయంతాం న్యాయేన మార్గేణ మహీష గో బ్రాహ్మణేభ్యః శుభమస్తు నిత్యం. లోకా సమస్తా సుఖినో భవంతు, సమస్త సర్వమంగళాని భవంతు. మీకి పద్మాజీకి అందరూ ఆనంద బ్రహ్మ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఆర్గనైజర్స్ కి నా హృత్పూర్వక అభివందనలు. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. ఓం నమస్తే. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్
సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మన శాస్త్రి గారు యూకే బాలీలో, ఇండోనేషియాలో పత్రి గారు ఎప్పుడు వెళ్ళినా సరే అక్కడ మన పత్రి గారి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్ని చాలా బాగా ఆర్గనైజింగ్ చేస్తూ ఎంతో సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఎందుకంటే అదర్ కంట్రీలో చేయడం అంటే అంత ఈజీ కాదు. సో అందుకోసం మనం ఈసారి ఆయన మన గెస్ట్ గా పిలుచుకోవడం జరిగింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ వాల్యుబుల్ టైం. We go for the next program.
Thank you, sir.